Hi, to blur or unblur wallpaper on iPhone. Firstly, open Settings on the phone and now just find section Wallpaper. After that, you can either choose to edit your current wallpaper and blur it, or you can click to add new one and then blur your new home screen. Let's edit my current wallpaper. For that, we need to click on home screen and on this button Customize. And then on the bottom of the display, you should see some options. So we got pair, you can switch to color, and here switch to different color. Then you can also use gradient here, like that. And set different photo from your gallery. So to blur or unblur your home screen, just click on this option on the right side. And this is blurred wallpaper, so you can see all of the apps more clear. To unblur, just click it again, so it will become gray. Again, this is blurred option, and this is unblurred. Let's blur it, and I'm gonna save changes by clicking done. And this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.